If you thought your morning commute was bad, check out the airport, where the only thing taking off is people's tempers.
With over 2,000 flights cancelled, the departure boards are turning into modern art. Lots of red, very abstract, really makes you think.
Mother Nature's dropping more hits this season than any pop star, her latest album? Blizzard's Bizarre Ballet.
Chicago's airports are performing the Chicago Shuffle. Everyone's moving, but nobody's going anywhere.
And in today's game of, why's my flight cancelled? FAA's grounding wins the round. Ding ding.
Stay tuned as we continue to navigate the not-so-friendly skies. Will our flights ever take to the skies? Find out in the next episode of Terminal Turbulence.